Do you ever struggle to talk about your family in English? Maybe you want to share something about your parents, your children, or your siblings, but you're not sure what to say or how to say it naturally. Well, don't worry. Today, we'll fix that together. Hello, my friend, and welcome to the English to Fluency podcast. Here, you'll learn to speak English confidently, clearly, and naturally. I'm Susan, your English guide, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're talking about a very important topic: how to talk about your family in English. Talking about your family is one of the most common topics in everyday English. It's also a great way to start a conversation because everyone has a family and it's something we all care about. So, in today's episode, you'll learn real sentences you can use every day. How to introduce your family, talk about your children, brothers and sisters, and even describe what you like to do together. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to speak about your family easily, confidently, and sound more natural when you meet new people or have conversations in English. So stay with me till the end. I will speak slowly and clearly. Practice out loud, repeat after me, and you'll see how much your English will improve. Before we start, please take a second to subscribe to this channel because that helps me keep making more videos that will help you improve your English. And if you find this episode useful, please share it with a friend who's learning English too. All right, are you ready? Let's get started. Let's begin with something simple: introducing your family. When you meet someone new, they might ask, "How many people are there in your family?" Here's a simple way to answer. There are 4 people in my family. You can change the number, of course. There are 5 people in my family. There are 10 people in my family. Or even, there are 20 people in my family. That's a good start, but not enough. You should also say who these people are. For example, you can say, "There are 4 people in my family: my husband, my 2 daughters, and me." Or, "There are 12 people in my family. I have 2 brothers, 1 sister, and my parents. I also have an uncle, an aunt, and 4 grandparents." When you give more details like this, your answer sounds richer and more natural. Now let's talk about your brothers and sisters. You can ask, "How many brothers and sisters do you have?" Here are some possible answers. "I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters." "I just have 1 brother." "I'm an only child." All of these are correct and natural. You can also say whether your brothers and sisters are older or younger, or what your position is in the family. Are you the eldest, the youngest, or the middle child? For example, "I have 2 younger sisters and 1 younger brother. I'm the eldest in my family." Or, "I only have 1 brother who is 2 years older than I am. I'm the middle child. My sister is 2 years older, and my younger brother is in his first year at the university." Adding small details like this makes your English sound more fluent and real. So try it. Take a moment now and think, how many people are in your family? Who are they? Are you the oldest, youngest, or in the middle. Practice saying your answers out loud. That's how you become confident when talking about your family in English. Now let's go a little deeper. Let's talk about your immediate and extended family. Your immediate family means the people who are very close to you, your parents, your husband or wife, and your children. Your extended family includes your grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, people who may not live with you, but who are still part of your family. Here are some examples. My immediate family is small. I live with my wife and our 2 children. My extended family is big. I have many cousins and 3 uncles who live in different cities. You can also talk about where your family members live. My parents live in the countryside, but I live in the city. Most of my relatives live abroad. This kind of detail helps your listener imagine your family and understand your life better. Now let's talk about your children. If you're a parent, here are some easy ways to talk about your kids. I have 2 children, a boy and a girl. My son is 8 years old and my daughter is 5. I have 1 child. He's in primary school. You can also describe what they're like or what they enjoy doing. My son loves playing football. My daughter enjoys reading and drawing. When you include small, personal details like this, your English becomes more natural and more interesting to listen to. Next, let's talk about your relationship with your family and what you like to do together. Here are some nice ways to express this. We're a close family. We love spending time together. We usually eat dinner together every night. At the weekend, we watch movies or go to the park. My family means everything to me. We support each other. You can also talk about how often you see your extended family. I see my grandparents once a month. We visit our cousins every holiday. My uncle lives far away, so we talk on the phone. These kinds of sentences help you describe your lifestyle and values, not just facts. Now, let's make a longer answer by combining everything you've learned. Here's an example. There are 5 people in my family. My husband, our 2 sons, my daughter, and me. My parents live in another city, but we visit them often. I also have many cousins. We're a close family. We love eating together and watching movies on weekends. Or another one, I come from a big family. I have 2 brothers, 1 sister, and my parents. My grandparents live nearby, and I often visit them. We all get together during the holidays. I really enjoy spending time with my family. Notice how these answers combine who is in the family, where they live, and what we like to do together. That's what makes the answer complete and natural. And before we finish, here's one more tip. If you want to keep the conversation going, you can ask other people questions about their families. For example, do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you live with your family? Do you have any children? What do you like to do with your family? Asking questions like these helps you sound friendly, confident, and interested in others, which is a big part of communicating naturally in English. So let's review what we learned today. You learned how to introduce your family, talk about your brothers and sisters, describe your immediate and extended family, talk about your children and your relationship with your family, and finally, make longer and more natural answers. Now it's your turn. Take a few minutes to think about your family and try to describe them in English. Say your sentences out loud. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on sounding natural and confident. That's how your fluency grows, one small conversation at a time. Thank you so much for listening to the English to Fluency podcast. I hope today's lesson helped you learn something new and speak English with more confidence. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, share it with a friend who's also learning English, and tell me in the comments, how many people are there in your family? I can't wait to read your answers. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning English with confidence. See you in the next episode.
Learn English to Fluency.